First ever go at cooking a cheese toasted sandwich in our brand new Ridgemonkey sandwich thing.
What have you just done?
That's it, we're booked.
Yay!
We're going to
We are Alan and Sadge. We've spent the last few years juggling full-time work with our love for exploring mountains and running trails. But then this happened.
Good evening. The coronavirus is the biggest threat this country has faced for decades, and this country is not alone.
Lockdown made us completely rethink our lives. We realised what was important. So we rented our house out, settled our cat with good friends, and escaped to van life. Wander with us as we head off grid in our converted van to explore the world.
Right, first ever go at cooking a cheese toasted sandwich in our brand new Ridgemonkey sandwich thing.
Yeah, which is really confusing because it doesn't have the lines.
No, it doesn't have the griddle bit. Haven't read any instructions, but I've got a plan.
I think it's probably self-explanatory.
I'm going to butter both sides of the bread.
It's a nice butter dish you've got there.
I know. I may have borrowed it from my parents. Because we may have run out of butter.
You're just having butter, bread and toast.
We've got any chutters? Cottage Delight caramelised red onion chutney.
Bread's 2 days out of date.
It's fine. How many slices of cheese do you reckon?
I'll go for 2.
4?
Yeah, 4. Turn it around so you don't get the circle.
It's not my first rodeo when it comes to the old cheese. Right, pan. Like Gordon Ramsay, pan on. Does he still do that? I don't know.
Going in?
I'm going in. I'm just going to chuck it in. I've over buttered here. I'm not going to lie to you.
Yeah.
Nutty and mild. Right, I'm going to run this back to my parents. Here's the other one we've got, which is the saucepan edition.
Yeah, and that does have ridges.
And that does have ridges, yeah. Don't know.
No.
Pretty impressed with it so far though.
Yeah. I can hear it fizzing. Not even close.
But I suppose what you can do as well is burn yourself on the handle.
Oh, it's looking good.
Quite good, isn't it?
Yeah.
And of course, the only compliment, some Walkers ready so crisp. If you're watching last week as well, you remember Rob came to do a service on our van. He found a little bleed valve has been replaced with an old screw and a couple of washers. So he's coming back this afternoon to fix that as well. He's a good man. Right, I reckon it's nearly done.
Cool, open it up.
Oh.
Yeah!
Looks pretty good, right?
That does look good. Excelente.
Oh yeah,
Yeah?
that's cracking.
Out of 10?
9,
9.
maybe an 8. They had a bit of ham in there. Oh.
Nice. So as you've seen from our long intro that we put on the vlog today, when we rented our house out, we also had to put our lovely cat Rick to a foster home for a bit, because some people do have pets and cats in van life and fair play to them, but it wouldn't be right for him, would it?
No, I don't think Rick would like the van life.
No, he would just run rings around the van. He's very much an outdoor kitty.
He's a bit of an idiot. I don't think he would. I don't think he'd find his way back, would he?
No way. So that's something that we had to do, and it was just, well, we said before, it was just the worst part.
Yeah, really hard. Yeah.
But we wanted a bit of an update because I didn't want to go see him, because I didn't want to upset him, and yeah, his foster family have sent us the MP4 update, which we're so excited to see, but we've been putting it off because yeah.
Shall we?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's watch it.
You ready?
Yeah.
We are Jacqueline and Steve. Once upon a time, we used to run and even socialise with Alan and Sadge. Pre-COVID, of course. Then one day, we got a delivery! Rick! Rick hated being kept in sight to start with. He spent loads of time exploring every room, looking out of all the windows. Please let me out. Then would find him sitting in the oddest of places, even in the shower. Then finally one day he could go outside. He was a bit nervous to start with. Then he got a bit braver. Then he met his cat twin from next door. Oh, back inside after a rest. Oh, squirrel! Just in case you didn't see that, in slow motion. Time for another rest. Oh, is it dreamy time? Excuse me, is my dinner ready yet? Oh, playtime, a big box for me. Oh, medium box day today. My favourite little box.
Oh, that was so cute.
That was lovely.
Yeah. Bless him. Oh, he's doing well though, isn't he?
He's alright.
He's alright. He's got a big house and garden than he used to. And he's got grass. Never had grass at our old house.
It's true. Yeah, thank you so much, Jackson Steve.
Thank you, Jackson Steve.
Looking after him and stuff.
Yeah.
It's lovely to know he's okay.
It is.
Oh, I miss him though.
I know. Alright, should we book the ferry to make us feel better?
Yeah. Thinking of either, well, the ferry to...
Go on, have a go.
We're into them.
Go on.
Muan.
Moan, the Disney character.
Muan.
Try again.
Ferry. No, wait, that's not right. You did tell me.
I can't pronounce it either, but I'm going to have a go. St. Malo.
St. Malo.
St. Malo.
St. Malo,
You can
bro.
say it in like an English accent. I'm sure that French people say it repeatedly. St. Malo. Something like that.
Brittany Ferries, that's what we're looking at, aren't we? One way. Portsmouth to St. Malo.
So I put in the 18th of May because it opens up from the 17th. But the 19th of May, because you can't fly on the 18th. You can't go on the 18th.
So that's that. So the 18th of May is the earliest date that the UK will allow international travel.
The
Is that right?
17th is.
Yeah. And then height is 2.7. Are you taking a rear-mounted bike carrier? No.
No.
Do we want flexi or do we want standard? Because we need to be able to change the booking basically, don't we?
Yeah, so it depends. So I reckon if at the beginning of May we know what we're doing, we'll be fine. If we don't, then we need to get this one because you can change it.
I think you've got to be flexi, haven't you, with the state of the country at the moment.
Yeah, okay. What have you just done?
That's it, we're booked.
Yeah.
We're going to France, baby.
Going to France, hopefully Boris lets us.
Probably not.
Yeah.
How you doing? Back for another episode. How's it going? All right.
Yeah, good. Yeah. Yes, that's what that should look like.
Oh, so that's the bleed valve.
That's the bleed valve. Yeah.
Cool. Ours does not. Ours is a screw.
Yours is a screw.
And a couple of washers. I think so, wouldn't you?
You'd like to think so. I mean, if I could spotted it pretty much straight away.
Yeah. Let's get a few picks and switches.
Yeah, so this did come as a whole massive pipe which goes all the way down and down there.
All right.
But I don't need to replace all that.
Wind it off and stick it in.
Wind it off.
And what's the bleed valve for? Is that just
So basically, it's the highest point of the engine. So if you were to open up the coolant system, like do a radiator or something like that,
yeah,
all the air would circulate and come out at the top.
yeah,
And so you just open the bleed valve,
yeah,
and the air will go tsh until water comes out,
yeah.
and then all the air's come out basically.
Bye, Rob.
See you later.
Legend.